Now we had done just a simple thing. So what we done? We installed the Node.js. On which website that was? Node. Download something for Windows, it will come. And you can select here that download Node.js. After that, just install 64-bit. No need to change this both. Now one thing, see here, two options are there, LTS and one is current. Why we not getting going on this one? Current. Can anyone tell? Any idea?
Yeah, sir, because some bugs are there. It is the latest
Yeah,
version, sir.
that is latest. As like in case of Bootstrap, we had gone Bootstrap 4 in place of 5. Correct? Because Bootstrap 5 is the latest one. In latest, sure, maybe some bugs will be there. So that's why we not recommended to this latest one. Always be going with the LTS. That's why. So here we going to install, and after installation, we can check that whether it get installed or not. So what command is there? Command is node hyphen space and v. When you will hit this command, anywhere, it's not required in particular anywhere, means you can run this command anywhere in your system. Just open this, hit enter, and whatever version of node you have, it's showing for me 14. For you all, it's showing 16 because you have latest one. I have old version, so it's not an issue. Clear up to this now, everyone? Please, if you cleared, we can move next. Otherwise, I have to bet.
Yes, sir. It's showing 16.
Okay. So I think hope. Okay, Pooja joined. Pooja, okay, 1 second. Ritvik, what about you? Had you installed? Ritvik. Pooja. Pooja is there. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How are you feeling now?
Better, sir.
Okay. So do one thing. We had installed Node.js. Just do one thing. Open your system and open CMD. Okay.
Okay.
And in CMD, search node a space hyphen v. This command. Node a space hyphen v. Are you getting any error or any version something is showing? V something.
Node U. Okay.
Node a space hyphen v. गाना कौन गा रहा है भाई?
मैं गा रहा हूँ।
पूरा माहौल बना के रख दिया तुम तो.
Node is not
सर
work,
इनका भी
guys.
एक
Okay, so node is not installed. Do one thing. Open this link. Search in Google node. Just node. Okay. You getting something node download for window or something like that? Just hit enter. And you can see this website http nodejs.org means download node.js. Click this link. Opened this website. See this website, it will open. Got it? Very chat window. What about others? Amol, sorry, Approach.
Sir, done, sir.
Downloaded. What is the version it's showing now? 16 point something. Okay. Pooja, is this get open?
Yes, sir. Download.
6.13.1.
Download this 64-bit. Where you clicked? This one itself.
Window installer.
Window. Okay, fine. 32 or 64?
64.
Okay, fine. See, I considering everyone already have window. If you have Mac, you have to install this one. If you have Linux, for Linux that is different. See, for here, for Linux is this one. I considering everyone have window. Anyone having Mac also and Linux?
कोई है मैक वाले?
आई थिंक एवरीवन इज बेस्ट।
सब विंडोज वाले हैं सर।
अच्छा, अभी कोई अंबानी से बिलोंग नहीं कर रहे हैं।
हाँ, तो
आप ही गेस कर लिए।
ओके,
खाने का चीज कौन रखेगा साथ में सर?
हाँ नाश्ता उस्ता लेके बैठा कीजिए, 3 घंटा क्लास है।
3 घंटा आ जाए?
हाँ तो
मैं तो नाश्ता वगैरह नहीं किया हूँ।
सर मैं भी
स्पेशल
नहीं खाना वाना खाया हूँ सर सुबह से।
कोई
मेरे को
दिक्कत है
लगा 1
धर्मेंद्र,
2 घंटा खाना चलेगा।
तुम तो धर्मेंद्र
ऋत्विक
पजल आज सोल्व कर ही दिए हो। तुम्हारे भरोसे पे शिवानी रहती ना भाई, पजल सोल्व हो जाता उसका आज।
हम कहाँ बोले थे भैया पजल सॉल्व करने के लिए।
तुम क्या बोला कि बाकी सब कर लेना, पजल पे थोड़ा दिमाग लगा लेना। बाकी सब ही नहीं हुआ, पजल्स भी नहीं हुआ। बाकी में दिमाग लगाती कहाँ से?
लैंग्वेज कौन था? पदक
कौन
किसमें?
सा पजल? भाई पजल्स मतलब मैथ का पजल, ये तो और महान है।
सर ऋत्विक से बात हुई थी मेरी।
हाँ, क्या बोले वो?
ऋत्विक से बात हुई थी, ऋत्विक वोट डालने गए थे और
वोट डालने?
आज वोटिंग है। वोट, हाँ जी, आज वोटिंग है कानपुर में। तो
सर बिहार में भी
उस-
वोटिंग चल रही है ना सर?
वोटिंग यहाँ
योगी
नहीं,
सरकार।
अभी नहीं है।
तो
योगी
उनको
सरकार
सर,
यूपी।
हाँ सर
यूपी।
योगी सरकार। तो उनको सर ऋत्विक को सारे क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स आते थे जो
अच्छा।
शिवानी ने आज दिए हैं। वो सो रहा था। वो एक्चुअली वो कर चुका है ना, रीजनिंग वगैरह सब प्रिपेयर कर चुका है।
भाई वो ठीक है, लेकिन तो सो क्यों रहे थे?
वो कह रहे थे हमें लगा क्लास है।
शिवानी देखिए, अगर आपका सिलेक्शन सपोज नहीं होता है तो इसका सारा ब्लेम ऋत्विक पे जाएगा, क्योंकि हम लोग ने भाई 2 घंटा मेहनत की है। जिसके पास पूरा खजाना था वो सो रहे थे।
उसने हर एक चीज के आंसर बताए थे। मैंने, अरे यार
पूजा आपका
आपको
इंस्टॉल हो
पहले
गया क्या?
बताना चाहिए था ना अभिषेक।
यस सर।
मैं
ओके,
कॉल
हमें
कर
बाद में
लेती
पता
हूँ।
चला।
ओके 1 सेकेंड। सो इंस्टॉल हो गया ना, आप ये कीजिए, नोड हाइफन वी को रन कीजिए, ये कमांड को। CMD में जाकर ओपन करके इसे दीजिए। आज जिसका क्लास छूटा उसका मैं सेटअप दोबारा नहीं कराऊंगा, ये तो पक्का। वो भाई वीडियो देख के खुद से करे, वो मंजूर है। अब कोई सरकार बनाने गए हैं, कोई सरकार गिराने गए हैं।
नॉट रिकॉग्नाइज्ड।
नॉट रिकॉग्नाइज्ड, आपका इंस्टॉल नहीं हुआ। स्क्रीन शेयर कीजिए, देखो क्या।
नहीं, उसको यदि कमांड को फिर से ओपन करने बोलिए। एक बार होता है ना, पहले बोला कमांड
हाँ,
खोला
वो
और नहीं
CMD
होता
बंद
है।
करके फिर से ओपन कीजिए, क्योंकि वो इंस्टॉलेशन के बाद नहीं लेगा वो। अगर दिक्कत होता है तो फिर बताइएगा। देखिए 1 मिनट।
वेलकम टू नोड जेएस।
अच्छा, वर्जन नहीं दिखा रहा है? नोड लिख दिए क्या कि नोड वर्जन लिखे है आप?
नोड जेएस 16.410।
ओके ठीक है। ओके, तो everyone got installed Node.js. Next, we will move in the installation of Angular. Okay, so do one thing. See what is written here: npm install -g @angular/cli. You have to run this command. Again, open CMD. Everyone, Window S. You will get search for there. Type CMD. Open CMD. Got it? Open CMD, and inside this CMD, what you have to write? Wait, you have to write the first command: npm install. Do one thing, share your screen. Anyone who have good network connectivity, share your screen. Pooja, you have good network connectivity?
Yes sir.
Okay, share your screen then and follow the same step, everyone.
Hello sir.
Yeah, Praful. Yeah, Praful, any issue?
नहीं सर।
Okay,
हाँ मैं बोल रहा था कि
हाँ
कर दिया ना।
Okay, so npm install, and after this dash G dash a space after install. After each you have to give one space. After that dash G dash
आगे
no need of Lalan please no need of a space between dash and G. Yeah, yeah. Now do that dash G a space at the rate Angular ANGULAR slash nearby below of backspace. Yeah, CLI. Don't press enter. Wait. Everyone written this command. Please take care.
Yes, sir.
Everyone. Can I move next? If anybody is behind, tell me.
1 second. I'm wrote down. Write down.
Yeah. So who had not written, you can raise your hand. I can get that. No need to unmute. You can raise. I will get that. Once completed, please unmute and tell me. So we can move next. You can write down this command in your notebook. npm install -g space @ Angular/CLI. -g means globally. Okay, it's not going to install Angular CLI in your any particular folder. It will install in your complete laptop. Means anywhere it will gone. Means now you working in any project, it's not matter. Where it means on which folder you are working, it's not going to matter. It will be in all. So everyone completed up to here. Abhishek.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Hope
sir.
I think everyone come. Now press enter. Pooja, press enter. Everyone just press enter. Now some installation is started. What about others? Same thing is going or not?
Yes, sir.
If anybody get stuck, please let me know. Hope I think for all it's going. Sweta, what about you? Don't tell anyone just that I am on mobile. Yeah, Sweta, it's going on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. NPM fund for okay, 18 package. Okay, fine. Yeah. So everyone got this.
Yes, sir.
Some message.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So npm now be installed Angular CLI. Okay. Everyone completed or anybody still is running the command? Because it will depend on your internet connectivity.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
still
okay. It will depend on your internet connectivity. If you have 50 rupees recharge of net pack, then it will slow. If anybody have 1000 rupees pack, then it will be fast.
सर क्या 239 का है सर?
हाँ, इसीलिए आपका आवाज रात में नहीं आता है, दिन में आ रहा है आपका। नाइट में इनका एक आवाज नहीं आता है।
समझ में नहीं आता सर।
वो आप अंबानी के परिवार में बिलोंग कर रहे हैं ना, नियर। बात वो नहीं है रोशन, आप अंबानी का नेटवर्क लिए हुए हैं, आप एरिया वाले हैं ना, इसीलिए।
बराबर है।
इसीलिए वो रात में नेटवर्क नहीं मिलता है आपको, दिन में मिलता है।
सर मैं नेक्स्ट मंथ सर सिम कार्ड चेंज करने वाला हूँ सर, वो एयरटेल लगा था अभी।
सर इसके प्रॉब्लम चलते रहेंगे।
और हम लोग भी चलते रहेंगे।
नहीं सर, प्रफुल सर जब मैं सिम कार्ड खरीद रहा था प्रफुल साथ में था सर।
हाँ तो हाँ
Okay,
ये बराबर है।
मतलब
तेरा गांव
झूठ
कहाँ
मत
पे
बोल।
है, मेरा गांव कहाँ पे है भाई?
भाई
वो
तू
थोड़ा सा
दोनों महाराष्ट्र के उठा के पटक दो, उसके बाद देख लेंगे हम लोग। एक काम कर। ओके, नेक्स्ट अप टू दिस कंप्लीटेड फॉर ऑल और इट्स स्टिल गोइंग ऑन?
Completed, sir.
It's completed.
Still
Okay,
going
what
on,
about?
sir.
Yeah.
Okay, going on. Okay,
complete,
meanwhile,
sir.
okay, completed, fine. Do one thing now. Open one project. Close this command window. Which completed? Close the command window. Close the command window and open one folder where you want to keep the project. As like on desktop or somewhere you had done for the HTML case. So open that same folder. Means where you had practiced HTML.
Yes,
Open
sir.
the same, yeah, open same folder. Okay. And now open the CMD. Go back. Means main folder, root folder itself. Like a training is there itself. Pooja, go back one step back. Yeah. What about you had not taken git pull? Oh my god. She had not taken, I think, git pull from very long days. Pooja, do one thing. Open command window here. CMD. On top, train, yeah, there. See right CMD. Hit enter. Do git pull. A space. Don't do others. Remove that. No, not by a space. Yeah, a space. PULL. No need of dash. Remove that. One more. Yeah. Pull. PULL. Hit enter. Oh, it's not recognizing. Somewhere that's different project folder you have. Okay, no issue. Let it be tomorrow. And where you had practice actually, in which folder? Can you open?
This folder.
No, but see, HTML practice, everyone have the folder, their particular name folder. But for you, where that is?
One is training folder here and another is in document.
Yeah, open that document. Yeah,
This,
open training, this one. Yeah, this folder I was telling. So everyone
this.
have to here. And now open your project folder.
Sir, this is complete, sir.
Yeah, completed. I think
Yes.
for all get completed. Okay, so anywhere you can do, but mostly what we will prepare to do in our folder itself. Okay, so while practicing also we will not get confusion. Open your all folder. Open, double click Pooja in your folder. Yeah, now open CMD here. Everyone open CMD here. CMD. Oh, SMD you written. This is the effect of night shift job. Enter. Yeah. So everyone opened that thing in your command window, your folder. Or anybody is still pending? Shivani, Afroz,
Open
Dharmender.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Who have issue? See, Roshan, share your screen. Sweta, had you opened? Okay, 1 second. See, for Roshan, I taking a screen. Just take care that one.
Okay.
Open Explorer, File Explorer. Means file manager of this PC. Yeah. Expand that big. Yeah. Okay. So Sweta, are you on this screen? Inside training. Okay, open this one. I think for you also D or which folder that one? I have not idea. D folder. Okay. Okay, fine. So D, inside D training is there. Roshan, are you doing on desktop? Means previously
Yes,
also. Okay, fine. No issue. Open your folder. Double click.
Open किया sir.
Double click that.
हाँ किया sir.
Oh, you have network issue. Okay, fine. What about Sweta? Had you reached up to here in
Yes,
your
sir.
folder? Don't go in Roshan folder. You have to be in your folder. Okay. Everyone got the same thing. Okay. Everyone got. Open CMD. How to open CMD? Yeah.
No idea sir.
Put cursor after Roshan. After the name. Yeah. Put cursor anywhere. Yeah. Just write CMD. I start typing CMD and hit enter. Press enter. Press
Yes
enter.
sir. This one.
Yeah. So, Sweta, had you reached up to here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hope everyone reached up to here in your folder. Correct or not? Okay. Pooja, share your screen. He have some network delay actually. Okay, so next step we have to create Angular project. Okay, so how we going to create Angular project? This command slowly we will learn. Okay, so don't worry. So we have to write one command ng right there. Press ng space wait new new a space right there Angular project LAR Angular project capital right there no issue project. Don't press enter. Don't press enter. Everyone, had you written ng new Angular project?
1 minute, sir.
Okay, I have to also do actually. Let me do my. Everyone write the same command. Don't press enter. If you pressing enter, if you face anything, don't blame me. Abhishek, same thing going on, correct?
Sir,
Same thing going on for you also.
sir,
Yeah, who is this?
NG stand for
Wait. I had not explained now. We will come on that topic. Everyone written this command?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you had written press enter. But don't press any another thing. Just wait. You will get some pop-up. Yeah.
Sir,
So you got
sir,
yeah.
unknown option project.
Would you like to add Angular?
Just 1 second, Pooja. Share your screen, Shivani. What about others? Had you got any
sir,
error?
मैंने गलत लिखा CM.
Sir, I
मैंने
got,
गलत
sir, would
लिखा
you
था.
like to add Angular routing?
Okay.
हाँ
So
सर सेम थिंग
okay. So you all get one pop-up message. Let it to be. Shivani, share your screen.
सर
Let me
मैंने
check
गलत
what is it.
गलत लिखा था मैंने spelling.
Okay. So had you make that correction?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So do that. After that, just wait.
Yes, sir. Would you like to add Angular routine?
Okay, fine. So I sharing my screen. Just wait. Where is that? My screen is visible. Okay. So what you got the message? See, sometime you will get this. Sometime you will get this message also. Something. Do you want to
Sir,
enforce a strict?
sir, that routing. If you will give the routing, yes, no. Then
Yeah.
once we reach that Angular and we have to run our project, no, then on that some problem is coming like that policy.
Wait. No issue. Just see first this one. Sometime you will get this message. Okay. For right now, you not got that one. Maybe in this message. Do you want to enforce a stricter type check? You can do this yes or no anything. But do no. But you for right now for your this is not the message. Clear? For this is message for mine one. So I taken that. Just wait. This is your message. Correct? Would you like
Yes,
to
sir.
add Angular router? Yes or no? So see, I going a step by just step. Now don't press enter or anything. What command we had entered first? ng new, and before this, what was the command? First we had done npm install. Correct? So fine. See, keep notebook. Write that all the steps. First we had done npm install -g angular/cli. Are you ready or with your notebook and pen? Okay. So npm is the node package manager. This stands for node package manager. Okay. This whatever project we are going to do, this will work with the help of node. And from where the node came, we install the node. Correct. This node we had installed. That's why we had installed node first. Okay. If you have not the node installed, then this command will not work, because this npm, this will work only if you have node package manager. Npm install install -g @angular /cli, like this way. Fine. I going to remove this. npm is stands for node package manager. Next step, for installation, it going to install. What it will install? There one command -g. -g means what I told. Please just speak up. Then you will get each line.
Globally.
-g means globally. Means
Globally.
if you will not give this -g, what is the problem? I showing you. Where is my command window open? It opened inside something name. Okay. Means this npm will be, this CLI will be, whatever be installing, this installation will be in that particular folder. Got it? But when we giving -g, it not particular to one folder. It will be for complete your laptop. Means a complete device. Means now if you doing project setup in any folder, it will work. But when you not passing -g, it will not do that. Clear? -g. Had you got the idea? Because see, in interview, they are asking why you taking this -g. What is the need of that? So clear? If you going to this, then it will go for the globally. What is the second? @angular CLI. With the help of this command, @angular /CLI, it going to install angular CLI, on which angular will work. Got it? Angular CLI. This last step, this is for the installation of angular CLI. So this full command, it going to install angular CLI. So with the help of, means when you are starting angular project, you have to install this one first in your laptop. If this is available, no need to next time. No, next time it will automatic. First line clear, or anyone having any doubt? First line.
Sir,
Yeah.
last one, Angular /CLI.
Yeah.
Sir, what do you explain, sir? I'm wrong.
Yeah.
Write
So
down.
yeah, it is just for installation of angular CLI. Write that it is installation of angular CLI, or angular itself, you can tell. Means with the help of this complete command, npm install -g angular /CLI, we going to install angular setup in our laptop. That is the full explanation for this line. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Can we move next? Anyone having any issue? Raise you can raise your hand. No issue? Fine. Next line. What I had given, next line. Next command, Baj.
ng new angular.
Okay, that command already written in my system also. Just wait. So see one thing, this angular installation, it is required only one time. Okay, because if you start working new, then this is required, because in your system that is not available. Suppose that you have to play video. What you will do? You will install VLC or any video player in your system. Just that will be only one time. Same time, we have to install the angular /CLI. That will be one time for the setup. Second, we going to create a project. Okay. So how we will create the project of angular? So with the help of command again, ng new, and whatever you written here, that is project name. So let's say go one by one line. Wait. Here I can search paint. Wait 1 second. Make one file. So first line which we had done installation of Angular, that will be only one time. It not required always. Whenever suppose now be making one sample project for training purpose. Tomorrow I given one project to create one project and do something. Then you will just create the project. No need to Angular CLI installation. Got it? See, in Angular, I not going to provide you any material. Okay. Whatever we will discuss, you have to write down all the things. You have to write down, you have to follow the video again. That thing you have to do. Because I seen in the case of HTML, I given material, you had taken that material, kept in the Google Drive for safety purpose. Nobody had opened that. I not want to take risks. Okay. So next, what we done? Okay. So which command we had passed first? npm install -g @angular/CLI. This was first command. Second command, what we had taken? Second command we taken. What was the command? Tell me.
npm
Sorry,
ng new my dream app.
Wow, great. We had taken Angular project.
Yeah, sir. Sorry. Sir, I written this.
So first we had taken this command. Fine. Where is the dot? Who had spoken? I think Ritvik.
Yes, I'm here.
You came from election.
Yeah, I've done some voting also.
Why you done voting? Then who is going to be next?
There is no
BJ
doubt by saying BJP.
Result got declared.
Result got declared when Piyush Jain got caught.
Yeah, correct. So next command we had written. Yeah, next we had written ng new Angular project. What is the full form of this ng? Ng going to represent Angular. Make one hyphen something, write that ng represent Angular. Okay. Second, new is means new, and whatever you had written here, see, between each line one space. Fine. So whatever you written here, that will be your project name. Means you can write this is project name. Clear? So whatever we had given, ng new my Angular app, this become ng means Angular, new means a new project. Okay. Now don't ask old project means old. No, new means new. Next will be my dream app. Whatever project name you had given, that will be your project name. Clear up to here? Anyone having any issue? Now tell me. ng new Angular project. Fine. So next, after that, when we pressed, we got one. Would you like to add Angular routing? You will got this message. What is the meaning of this one? So meaning of this, who is this eating? Please mute.
Samir.
Mute. So here next step, would you like to add routing? This message, what are you getting from the term routing? In normal, don't think regarding the technical word. In normal, what you can get? Any idea? Grammar mistake or anything is there? Find that.
root.
Routing means like a route. Correct? Means a path you can tell. So that question is asking, would you like to add routing? Routing means if you will tell yes, Angular will set up one file for Angular routing. You not have to do anything. Angular by default they will do. But if you telling no, that Angular will not do, you have to do by yourself manually. So why we will waste time from our side? We will do Y. Yes. No need of capital or a small, anything. You can pass anything. Press that Y. Just press Y, press enter, you will get another pop-up. Had you got this pop-up?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, had you got everyone this pop-up or not?
Sir, why press करना है?
Yeah, why? Why your network is slow? Why? Then you will get another pop-up. Now,
Yes.
it's asking regarding which style sheet you want. Read the question. Which style format would you like to use? A style format in the sense CSS for the designing purpose. Here, no any bootstrap option will be, okay? So, which style sheet? You want CSS, you want SCSS, you want SASS, different formats are there. So, we will use CSS, but in project, in means company side, many company are using SAS also, many using SCSS, then LESS also, different things. But all are like same type. There will be minor difference. Whatever CSS you writing, same type that will also write. But there will be minor changes. Okay. When we will got time, means after completing this, then we will learn these all. Means not all. SAS also we will learn how to use SAS or those things. But nobody will ask in interview whether you know that or not. Everybody will ask CSS because that is the basics. That is the main thing. Okay, so what we have to do, if we want to select SAS, third option, how we can do? Press your mouse up and down, left, right, arrow marks, up and down. So when you pressing, see the selection list is going on. Are you getting? Try this way from your keyboard, but don't press enter. Just try up and down mouse button. Sweta, are you getting? Had you pressed all? Everyone
Yes,
had
sir.
tried.
Yes.
See, just press mouse button up and down, means go down itself. Then see this cursor going to move and the color going to highlight. Everybody tried this? Okay. Do one thing. Now you have to point CSS. Your cursor should be pointing to the CSS. Everyone reached up to here. Everybody pointing CSS. Or anybody roaming outside also. Had you reached it? If you reached here, press enter. And after this, you can go and take water. After that, you can come back. It
Now
will
click
take.
enter. So
Yeah.
now click enter.
Press CSS and click
Yes, sir.
enter and
Okay.
just hold down
Yes, sir. Sorry.
because it's started something.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, then let it to be.
Okay.
Now Angular will do all the setup. You not have to do anything. From where this setup is coming? This all setup is coming from npm installation, whatever we had done. Okay. Now do one thing. Anyone share me your screen who have good internet connectivity and no data limitation? What about others?
No data limitation. Okay, sir.
Anyone having issue? Roshan, whatever.
No, sir. No issue, sir.
1 second.
It's
Sweta,
running
what
process.
happened? Okay, running. Fine. Okay, Sweta, share your screen.
Yes, sir.
What about others? Are you on the right track? Or anyone is back? Amardeep, it's going on, correct?
Yes, sir.
Lalan, Pooja, Afroj,
Yes, sir.
Praful, going on. Okay, Sweta,
Yes, sir.
share your
Yes, sir.
screen. Okay. Dharmender, where he is? He is not here. Oh, he gone.
I am
Sweta,
pending.
share your
Please
screen.
help me out.
Okay, Ritvik also pending. Okay, fine. Ha, Dharmender, where are you?
Sir, I'm here.
Oh,
I'm
with
asking with
Afroj.
Abhishek. Abhishek saying you are my competitor. I wouldn't help you.
Correct.
All right,
Abhishek, don't do. Never help. Sweta, share your screen. Yeah, screen is coming. Yeah, now press enter. Who's screen this one? No issue. Press enter. Press enter button. Don't do anything. Just press enter button. Because now you are on the CSS because that is blue color. It pointing that. Just press enter. Enter button of keyboard.
Yes, sir. I
Not.
enter.
No, you had not press enter. It started something. No, no. Why you are scrolling? Yeah. Now left it. Press enter button. Yeah.
So it's done.
Just. Yeah. For it's started. Okay. For done. Okay. Let it to be. Sweta, it's started. Okay. Just wait for few minutes. It will take time. Yeah. Ritvik, share your screen.
Yes,
Anyone?
I'll share it.
Anyone others also who's pending? Please let me know.
या मेरा पेंडिंग है
Okay. 1 second. What is the issue actually?
एनजी न्यू एंगुलर प्रोजेक्ट जब डालते हैं कमांड तो
Please try to
यहाँ
speak. Try to speak in English so others will also get. Because few
Yeah,
persons not. Yeah.
when I putting ng new angular project command, then something is coming like that. The term ng is not recognized.
Ng is not recognized. Means Angular is not there in your project. Had you done the previous step?
Yeah, I have done.
1 second.
Node Java, no, Node JavaScript.
1
I have
second.
done.
Then 1 second. When we was in that step, then why not you had told that time itself? We had moved in the routing. Then we moved in the CSS. You have that time itself. I had asked each member. You have to tell that time itself that I means I getting error.
Yeah, I had some
See.
network problems.
See, if you have network issue, you can drop message in chat. See, because if you be moved in next step, it's very difficult to go back. So please, everyone, try to follow this step. Installation is very difficult thing. Yeah, share your screen. Okay. Ritvik, I think a screen got. Okay, Ritvik, show me that command window. Wherever you're doing.
I want from the beginning because I just.
Okay. Fine. Open that folder, training folder. Had you installed a Node.js and that thing?
No. I can't.
Do one thing. Open CMD.
Yes. CMD, okay.
Lalan, check this. Whatever we are doing for him, same thing. Go step by step and check whether it's for you or not. Because it's not recognized means Angular is not there for you. CMD opened.
Yeah, it is CMD.
Which screen you had shared? Had you shared a complete desktop? I'm not thinking.
Let me share again.
Yeah, because we got the black screen. Share complete desktop. No need to select any screen particular.
Now is it visible?
Yeah. Now it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Do that a node. Node. A space. -v. V for version. Hyphen dash. No. Not underscore. Yeah. Dash V. Enter.
Then enter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Node is not recognized. Means go in that Chrome. Go in Chrome browser.
Wait a minute.
And download the Node.js.
Node.js, okay.
Yeah. Right. Node.
JS download.
Download. Yeah, correct. First link. Click. Download it. 64-bit. Window. No need to change anything. 64 top. First one. 64. Windows installer. No, wait. See. In the list, Windows installer.msi.
Window. Yeah, this one. Okay.
Next. List. All list. नीचे में list है ना सारा Windows installer.msi. उसके नीचे.
So Windows installer Node.js, I already installed that.
Let it to be. It going. It get downloaded. Now double click there. It get downloaded. Yeah. Just double click. Who all had not done completed, just wait, it will be open. It is compressing the file.
Wait a minute, I have to do from here.
Okay, you can do that. So who all pending, you can follow this step again.
Install.
But try to go with a stage because we going too much slow. That is the thing because of the installation process itself. Yeah, tick mark, agree.
Program C, program for Node.
Yeah, go next. Nothing you have to do.
Okay.
Go up to last. Don't read. No need. So remaining, what about that? Angular project setup completed or anyone still it's running?
Sir, I
think
get check on extra package, sir. That's why my data is gone.
Sir, still
yeah,
is
because
running, sir.
okay, still running, no issue. For me also still running.
Sir,
Let it
it's
to be.
showing that 3 is already under version control.
Sir, I got message, sir. The semantic
Yes, sir.
workflow
Same
failed,
is
sir.
showing. Directory is
What?
already under version control. Please the line.
Okay, due to Git. Okay.
Now,
So what
now,
it
now
asking?
this got
Wait, let me do further, Ritvik. Check that command again. Close this window command. Open again CMD. Yeah, open that again CMD. Yeah, open CMD node space -v space -v enter node get installed. Fine. Open the project. Next, what was the step? Can anyone?
I think that was I need to open the project.
Yeah. No. Do that npm install. No need of
Okay.
now. Let it to be. npm space install space -g -g a
At the
space
rate
a space add between of @ and g a space. Yeah, space @ dictate him the command.
Angular.
Angular space slash CLI.
Angular slash.
/CLI.
Lalan, follow the same step. Do this
Yeah.
step again.
Yeah,
Enter.
already I done this.
Press enter.
No. Due to this, your ng is not recognized. Okay. Do this
I
one
need to
again.
enter.
Yes.
Yeah, enter. Lalan, for you, this step has missed. That's why it not recognized ng. Do this.
Sir, message shown package installed successfully.
Then good. And now you are Angular developer. You can carry on
Yes.
with the job.
Okay, sir.
Big round of applause.
जब बेइज्जती है
बेइज्जती का है भाई, अब पार्टी की बात है ना, अब पैकेज इंस्टॉल हो गया, सक्सेस है।
हाँ, तो कभी कभी चढ़ा देते हैं, कभी गिरा देते हैं। फूल सर कभी चढ़ा देते हैं ऊपर से।
हाँ, मुझे पता है वो चीज।
I am going in the right direction.
Yeah, correct. That's fine. Go close this CMD. Okay, open that HTML project training folder where we are practicing.
ये मेरे पास folder नहीं है. I don't have this file.
Had you not cloned the Git?
No, I haven't. I need to do right now. Okay.
1 second. If you had not done, let it to be. Don't do that thing now. Let it to be. Open any project.
Okay.
Any folder. Just any folder. No need that any project inside. But you have to keep in mind where you had create. Create here itself. Open the CMD here itself. Outside. Inside
okay.
Inside training folder. Open CMD. Yeah.
CMD.
Lalan, do one thing.
Yeah.
Just, open any folder.
Okay.
Open any folder and write means just give any folder name or anything, whatever, training, practice, anything, and CMD. Open that.
Just
okay.
A second. New folder. Okay.
Open CMD in that particular folder. You know how to, if we want, suppose that now we are in D drive and training folder. Now I want to move in the C drive. How we can go from the CMD? Again, we have to close and then we have to go.
No, sir. Write C and double colon and enter.
Write
yes.
that.
CD double colon.
But you know CD.
No, colon, not double dot.
Okay, 1 second. Yeah, Lalan, what are you telling?
CMD not opening.
What? One more time.
CMD not opening here. When I open the file, then what I press here?
Yeah, on the top, see this PC, then data D, then training. Something is written on the top URL type.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here you need
Ritvik.
to type CMD.
Yeah.
Here.
Press that.
Here
Just
click.
press the cursor there.
Just click the
Ritvik,
cursor
do
here,
that.
then type CMD, then press enter, and automatically this screen.
No space, right? No need to write any space, right?
Nothing.
Yeah. No need to write any space. Just click on that, write CMD, and then enter.
Yeah, why window can't find like that something? Window
share your
can't
screen.
find spelling. Try again.
Share your screen.
Lalan,
Just
Tell him to share the screen, sir.
Yeah.
just share your screen.
You know, many time you will not find that C drive if you will work on the virtual machine. Many time you will not get that C drive, but C drive will be there, but you can't able to because maybe that is hidden. So in that case, just open CMD and press C. Otherwise, in URL bar itself, press C. You will means CM that C drive will get open.
Sir, it would be better we have to install create any website apart from C drive.
Yeah, that's fine. But why I telling when you will work with Lalan, share your screen. When you will work on project sometime, then you will not means the system which company is providing, C drive will be hidden.
How can I share because connected to the mobile?
See, if you connected through mobile, then you have to open means start call in your laptop.
कहना क्या चाह रहे हो यार?
You need to share your screen on laptop because you are working on laptop if you are installing Angular.
So I need to connect.
Just
do one thing.
Below a option at the bottom, you need see the chat. There is just another option was there, share screen. You need to go there.
Wait 1 second. Lalan, do one thing. Came to your Skype. Okay.
Okay.
And already that a call is going on. Join the call there. Leave your group discussion. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, do that. When you will work on actually virtual machine, that time C drive may be hidden. Actually, I had faced the same issue. I have to install system setup and I seen C drive is not there. And they're telling to keep this file in C drive. I searching where is that? Then suddenly it got a strike in mind, C:, that one. Then I enter, then C drive get open. So these are basic command actually, whether you working in support or developing or testing, these all actually you have to know. Then your life will be easier. Otherwise, for just a small thing, you will ask from 5%. Nobody will help because they can't even understand what you're telling. Because in company, if you're doing anything, then you have to raise a ticket. Without ticket, nothing is. पूरा भोजपुरी बज
सॉन्ग से ही पता चल जाता है सर.
Lalan, just disconnect call from the mobile and we continue here. After installation, you can continue on your mobile. That's not an issue. What about others? Had you completed your installation or anyone is still pending?
No sir, fail sir.
I am pending. Please tell me after that.
Okay, now open that Explorer.
Wait a minute.
A
I'm
screen
just
got
sharing my
shared.
screen.
A screen got shared. We are looking.
And
we
you-
are getting
yeah.
that screen.
No. This is not mine sharing. I think
No, I
Lalan
think
is sharing.
this is Age.
Yes.
Open
yes,
that Explorer in the bottom. Yeah, okay.
No, no,
Open
no.
folder,
This is not.
folder. Wait.
This is not.
Okay. Take that File Explorer below apps. File Explorer below. Below of internet. Okay, go this PC. Go this PC, left side. Top third. Left side, top third. Yeah. Open any folder where you want to keep project. Except D in C drive. Don't go in C drive. Go in any other. Why you divided this much section of the drive? Never split much more. Okay. Open, double click that training folder, double click, open that folder. See top, something is written there. This PC local drive, yeah, put cursor, write CMD, right? Remove that complete. Yeah.
By giving space,
Press,
then write
yeah.
CMD.
Now start writing CMD. No need to remove this, that. Just press CMD. Remove that complete. Remove that completely. Yeah, now write CMD. Right, see. Yeah, okay, it get open. Now, what was the step? I forget that. Which step we was moving? Okay, for creating project. Fine. Yeah, ng new a space new. What was that we was giving? Angular project.
Again
The
is
space
space.
Angular
Again
project.
is space and Angular
After
project.
new, give a space. Yeah, correct. Angular project. ANGU. See, ANU you had written. Remove that. Check the spelling mistake. Yeah. Put back a space. Move cursor up to
ANGU.
L. Remove that. Remove completely. Remove completely. Press it. Okay. Let it to be. Go back. Yeah. ng new a space Angular project. Enter. Press enter. Ritvik, same thing. You had written already command, correct?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So now it will start.
Would you like to add Angular routing?
Okay, wait 1 second. What a step you got? Anything?
Yes, I got the step.
Regarding this Lalan system, he's not getting anything. Okay, now detected NPM. Yeah, okay. Yes, press int. Yes, Y. Just Y. A small capital, not an issue. Press enter.
I got the CSS.
Yeah. Now don't do anything. Press enter. Just press. Why you doing that, Lalan? I told no issue. Just wait for the instruction. I'm going step by step. Press enter. Don't do anything. Press enter. That's it. Yeah. Just wait.
It's creating.
Yeah. So it will create your project. So you can stop sharing. Who got error? Now share your screen. Package installed successful. Okay, for me they get installed. Fine. Share your screen. Who got a issue? Let me go.